Hey guys, welcome back to Cheese Kitchen channel. So today I'm going to make a tomato based gravy dish. This is Thakkali korambu or tomato kurma. This goes well with idlis, dosas, chapatis, barotas, basically for a lot of dishes and even as a side dish for biryani. It's so simple, so super delicious. Now let's see how to make it. So first I'm going to grind a few ingredients. So in the mixie I'm going to add grated coconut, fennel seeds, fried gram or pottukadlai, green chilies, and finally cinnamon. So I'm going to add a little bit of water and grind this to a nice smooth paste or puree. So to the pan I'm adding oil, I'm adding green cardamom, garlic, next I'm adding onions, chopped onions, so I'm going to cook till the onions become translucent. Next I'm going to add tomatoes, the main ingredients, rock salt, and I'm going to allow the tomatoes to cook really well, so it will take about at least 5 minutes. So you can see tomato is cooked. I'm just going to mash everything really well. Now tomatoes cooked fully. I'm going to add chili powder, turmeric powder, and little bit of garam masala, and also some salt. So I'm going to cook this for about a few minutes. So it's been a few minutes. I'm going to add the coconut mixture, some water, mix everything together. This is the time to check spices. You can check and see if everything is fine, and then I'm going to let this boil till it thickens. So it usually takes about 10 minutes. So yes guys, Thakkali kolambu or tomato kurma is ready. I'm going to have this with some idli. You can actually even have this as a side dish for biryanis. So hope you guys try it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.